so bad on this camera. The ground looks like it's sand. No, literally it looks like white in the video.
Let me see.
It looks like white.
Yes, it does.
It literally is terrible. But it's actually...
How high is it?
I don't know, man. Oh, I just realized how far the gun range is. This is great. We're going to be walking for a while. I'm already kind of bored of this hike, you know, like, I kind of just want to go back.
I need a stick.
Well, don't get in a walking stick. Help out your old man? Yeah, I started another one. It's so bright out here, this camera can't even tell what the heck is going on. Oh, you caught up for the video. Tired there? Alright, act like you're doing something cool. I'll just video you walking. That's pretty cool. Good job, Brendan. This is peak quality content. What? Completely? Oh, I'll charge you when we get back. Oh shoot, that's right. I'll have to do that soon. him up.
What?
Oh, pants, buddy. See your butt.
No, not really, right?
No, of course not. I'm gonna do this right now. I love you. My favorite.
Look at the caboose back there. He's an El Caboose.
Yeah. I mean, that far away. Left. Ah. Too slow.
So many what?
What?
So many what?
Videos.
Oh. Feels like we've been here for days, but it's only been like one day.
Bang, bang! No! Hypocrite!
And it's been 9 minutes.
Oh, let's stop it. Okay, thank you guys for loving our beautiful video on walking through the forest. I should have said it at the beginning of the video, but you probably should mute the video because we're randomly going to scream, FYI. Alright, peace out.